You are going to love the 2016 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, six-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, bed liner, alloy wheels, power mirrors, traction control system, intermittent wipers, running boards, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find backup camera, leather upholstery, heated seats, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, power steering, tachometer. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.